Good morning, guys. Madonna influencer Talia. We are going for trekking, and I'm so excited to get into the river. Jenna, Ara, we have already packed our stuffs. Alright, here. We already packed our stuffs, and we are ready to move out. And we are going. We'll come back. Are you in a chicken nuggets orders? How do you know? I ordered chicken nuggets, but it's already spoiled. See, it's buff. So it'll go to trash. We didn't. Hey, he's just not my day. She breakfast here.
God's creation.
Amazing.
So give a round of applause for God. Ini boring today.
Ini bao da wonder shi la ga ya. Ari ram le strawberry da. Kile ba shi ji. Mi shai ba mi da ya. Shai ka. Ka tha we ji le. A khang wa sa. Bana is so exciting. I want to know these wildflowers, but look at it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I mean, everything is green out here, and I don't want to even step on it. Look at it, everything is so green. 1, 2, 3. Wow, ai shi here kapung hina join as the draga. It has a run here to go now. I should lay. I'm going to suck by and what thing. Main padle.
Fit. God's creation. Stunning.
We want to quick picture with the horses. So come. Sure. Can we get close to the horse? Like they're gonna kick, right? No. Okay, maybe I'll just pet this one. This thing looks so.
The white one?
Yeah, the white one. I think it'll be okay, right? Oh, ringpa.
Smile. Horses. Horse. Smile.
I don't want to get closer, but look at it now.
Let me click for you.
Okay. Dito ka na, titi na wala na sa sir kami.
Hello, babe.
Raj likem. Yeah, but
Oh, I speak in Hindi.
हाँ हिंदी तो
Hindi.
खत्म हो जाएगा.
Read Hindi.
Copy से बात नहीं
You will have lots of audience.
Trong cái nào tin nào sao liền mà.
Yellow. अच्छा से. देखो. Yellow जो.
Yellow. No yellow yellow. Ari baba Honda hi amai ma zadam da ring pha fe tha asang amai ka dam ji ba. Yo ok. Abang kham thai cái thảo si. Ha? Cho quang đây là hi. Wow. Bông chả ra cái phùng tung ấy nè, phàm ấy nè, thái tới lòng đó là chứ.
Hello. Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe.
Xin lỗi xe đây. Một cái phone gallery full fine đằng đó cặp phụ đang ngay khá. Million số giấy thì anh thật là mình every nắm dần xong they don't allow us to go one by one, like individually. Since we're going to the company, we had to go company, and they will tell us when to stop and when to take breakfast and stuff. So it's not like we had to go individually, okay? Okay. Next stop is Chandratal Lake. I'll show you in the next stop. Phòng căn cái cả. Oh my. Cái phone đã dần hay chơi sủi cái này. Jiang, look at the beautiful. Yeah. Okay, hay rồi. Go. Yêu đi chưa? Đi chưa thì rồi mà. Đâu? Hả? Wow. Trinh ơi. Có là ta mua cho đây. Ok, isu game hili lấy chứ. Thế này chỉ sang ngao ra. Kẹp sang này đã có chứ mét pet đây. Sao thế này? Rình vào ốc chứ, tụi mình lập phục mình ngay này đây mà.
Mas cái này. Telium siêu telium siêu.
Yeah, we're in kada bangay yo. We want to stay like this forever, lifetime.
They said there is no fish, but definitely good.
Really? But they're.
You cannot touch the water. It's very cold.
Huh? It's because of the glacier or whatever. Yeah, cái gì river nó bằng thêm đệm đây này ấy. Ai chẳng lung river chứ, siêu đam rau này chứ. Có cái đấy. It's very big. Oh my gosh, look at it. Pretty amazing, mesmerizing, enchanting view.
นี่ 1, 2, 3.
Why aren't you shouting?
Please shout.
A little bit.
You'll shout only when you have a pack of drink. Joke.
This is how life looks like when it's offline. No tension, no work pressure, no alarms. What? We're shouting our excitement, but you're not excited or
I
what?
need to play hide and seek.
Inshallah.
और कितना दूर है? Is your face mark? Okay, 500 meters.
So this is our guide. But say hi.
500 meters.
감사합니다. Nang buong ay. Let's go.
Let's go. Go.
Nice naam right here. So cute. No, I think this is not mountain guy. It has, it has the thing for in his ear, like
Deck.
yeah, a deck. So she has definitely he or she has a mapu. What do we call that mapu in English? Owner. English lamang sir. Maybe this is the mother. Huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, we are at the Chika campsite right now. We have crossed 10,100 feet and 3,078 meters. And these are the camps. We are resting for a while, and this is the campsite. However, tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, we are going up here and we'll take the left shortcut, like the left road, left path I mean. And if you can see here, these are the icy mountains, and up there it's so cloudy and like, you know, it is so chill out there. Even here palms there. Đừng thay sự campsite trên đó thì đi lấy ra. Ở trường nó chỉ kem chỉ đã luôn như dòng đi cái này. Ai bảo khơi đó, mình dòng ai làm. Especially Chika Falls, so it's more waterfall. Chika Falls, so it's more dry and Chika campsite. That part is sunny, and this part it's raining. That part's sunny over there. So, already blocked. You cannot see it. This is life. Idadu is giving the example of mood swing. Women's girls mood swing. It's raining out here, and that's the icy mountain. I really want to go up there. We have so many people here about to play Uno. Here are the Uno players. And these are the watchers. You guys know how to play Uno? Yes. Go join them. I hope you guys won't fight after this, huh? Chika Falls, right here. This is Chika Falls. Look at the view, amazing. And if you can see up there, like the huge rock, it's like we are walking in a Disney movie. In reality, so pretty. The clouds are coming down from the mountain. Yeah, what do we say? The clouds are coming down from the mountain. And we're doing some massage.
But just massage.
Is it 50 rupees or लेकिन थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाना, क्लाउड आ जाएगा तो बात नहीं है.
Nice. Nice. Thank you. Alright guys, so we are inside the camp, and I hope we wake up tomorrow morning.
Leave now.
Yeah.
Sweet dream.
Our blankets, this thin.
Stripe.
We have the blanket that they provide us here, like going inside the blanket. Not blanket exactly, but I don't know. The big thing for covering up the whole body. We don't want to wear that. So we're just gonna sleep like this, alright? So we'll see you in the morning. We'll show you the view. They're pretty amazing. Stunning, I mean. Good night, guys.
Dream me, please.